Hello everyone, this is Damon Caskey, Technology Officer at the University of Kentucky's Environmental Health and Safety Unit. I have a very quick and dirty walkthrough today, and that is how to add and post personnel on the Drupal platform. So let's jump right in by logging into the Drupal platform. Now, once we are here, and assuming you have admin privileges, we can then start to create content. Now, there are several ways that we can do this. I just prefer to mouse over content, then mouse over add content. And since we are adding a person, we will mouse down to person, click, and the create person dialog opens. We can leave the title blank if we want to, but I'm going to go ahead and call this a Mr. Then the given name is going to be a first name, and we'll obviously need the information that we're going to add. In this case, it is Mr. Aaron Cisco. You'll have to excuse my clumsiness with the mouse here. Now, of note is a thread called preferred name. When this is used in other places around the Drupal platform, if we wish for a name to appear that is different than Aaron Cisco, we can type it in here. For example, somebody has a nickname, or if we'd like to call them doctor, professor, what have you. Of course, we'll want to add their job title. And I don't have access to a telephone number for Mr. Cisco yet, but obviously if I did, we would want to enter it here. ASI 363. ASI 363. What I'm doing here in the case of UK, all UK personnel have an email address that is their Active Directory account, or link blue as we call it at the university, at uky.edu. Now, if we had a different email alias for that, we could enter that here as well, but this will work for Mr. Cisco going forward. Now, I don't have any profile information for Mr. Cisco, but of course, if we did, we would enter it in body here, and we could also add any other types of paragraphs or units that we wanted to, just as if this was a Drupal page. We can also add a profile image, and that is what will appear in the windows. We can add a large image if someone views this page directly. I don't have either one of those things, so we'll skip them for now. Again, this is a quick and dirty walkthrough. So it looks like we have everything we need. We are going to go ahead and save this. And now we have a contact page for Mr. Aaron B. Cisco. And actually, for consistency, I don't believe that I've been using Mr. for the others, so I am going to edit that and make that blank. It's the beautiful thing about Drupal. It's very quick and easy to change your content. All right, now we will want to use, post this information. So in the case of occupational health and safety, we're going to go to our Contact Us page. And you can see that we have our general safety and industrial hygiene divided into different sectors. So I'm going to edit this page and show you how you can reference that contact. So what I have done is I've created a flex grid for industrial hygiene. another flex grid for general safety, and that is where we're going to put Mr. Cisco. So all I have to do is add a new item, and I will select a contact reference. Then we select one of the existing references, and as you can see, the one I just added, Mr. Cisco, is now available, and I will create the item. And upon saving the page, Mr. Cisco's information now appears under General Safety, and by clicking on his name, we are taken to the contact page, whereupon we could view any of the extra content I've referred to earlier, i.e. the body, the pictures, what have you. That is all there is to it. You can create a contact reference anywhere you wish on any part of the Drupal platform, and it will relay back to this information here. So what you get from that is internal consistency, meaning that if this personnel or their information changes, all you have to do is edit in this spot and it is reflected throughout the site. So thank you for listening, everyone. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. I will paste my contact information for any outside of the university that would also wish to seek my advice, and I'll be more than happy to do what I can. Be well.